Welcome to EcoAce, your one-stop solution for responsible e-waste disposal and recycling. In this video, we will take you through the exciting features of our platform, designed to make e-waste disposal easy, environmentally friendly and rewarding. As you enter our platform, you will find our user-friendly landing page, complete with features and information to guide you. Let's dive right in. At the top, we have the Explore Locations option. This allows you to locate nearby e-waste disposal facilities, either through your current location or by manual search. Right below, you will find an information bar that educates you about various electronic devices and their harmful components, promoting awareness about e-waste. Our intuitive navbar provides quick access to the login and sign up option for both user and disposal plant owners. Let's start with the user sign-in route. Once signed in, you can access a wide range of features. Once you have signed in, you can access the nearest facilities page. Here you can see nearby e-waste disposal facilities on the map. Their details such as name, address and more are provided. Selecting a plant takes you to a dedicated page with specific details, including reviews and an option to book a pickup. The book a pickup form allows you to schedule a pickup for your e-waste, but what's unique is how we optimize pickup schedules. We employ the powerful k-means clustering algorithm to group pickup requests, reducing travel costs. This means more cost-effective pickups and a win-win for you and the environment. Let's book a pickup right now. The user dashboard lets you keep track of your credits, pending requests and details of previous pickups. You can also redeem credits for exciting rewards. Now let's switch gears to the plant owner sign-in route. Plant owner receives pending requests and can confirm them, ensuring efficient e-waste disposal. The user gets notified about the confirmation through a text message. Once a pickup is successful, credit points and if eligible, money are granted to the user. This info is shared through text, messages and the user dashboard. But that's not all. We at EcoAce focus heavily on generating awareness about effective disposal of e-waste. We encourage users to share their achievements on social media. When someone joins through your link, both users earn credit points contributing to awareness. In summary, EcoAce is not just about responsible e-waste disposal, it's about cost-effective pickups, rewarding users and spreading awareness through social media. Join us on our mission to make the world a greener place. Sign up now and be a part of the e-waste revolution.